Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to build an obstacle avoidance robot using Arduino. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For this project, we need an Arduino Uno, an L293D motor driver shield, gear motors, wheels, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, a cell holder, two lithium-ion cells, and a few jumper wires. For the base, I have used a wooden board. First, let's solder all the motors. Let's consider the right terminal as positive. Now, let's attach all the motors. Make sure the positive terminal is facing upwards, as the code is written based on this configuration. Now, attach the Arduino to the base and mount the motor driver shield on top of it. Next, connect all the motor wires to the motor driver shield. The circuit diagram is available in the description. Now, attach the servo motor and fix the ultrasonic sensor on top of it. Now, connect the VCC and ground pins of the ultrasonic sensor to the servo pins on the motor driver shield. Connect the triggering pin to D8 and the echo pin to D9. Now connect the servo motor to the servo header on the motor driver shield. Next, connect the switch to the cell holder. Connect the negative terminal to the left pin of the switch and take a wire out from the adjacent pin. Now, let's place the cell holder. Next, connect the positive and negative terminals to the power supply terminals on the motor driver shield. Connect the another cell, and now let's attach the wheels. Route all the wires underneath the base to keep everything neat. Now let's upload the code. Make sure you download this library. Now let's hit the upload button and see the robot in action. And that's it. Our obstacle avoidance robot is ready. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And I will see you in the next video.